Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit Inshot video without watermark. Alright guys, here I have opened my Inshot application on my phone, and let's just create new project first. I'm going to click on video, then click on new right here. Then I'm going to select a video from my gallery. I'm going to select this one. Then just click on this check mark to add the video to our Inshot project. Okay, and once we add the video or the project on Inshot, we will get watermark. So this is the Inshot watermark, and if you want to remove this watermark, you can click on the watermark like this. Then you can click on free remove. Okay, and now the watermark has been removed from our video, and we can edit this video without watermark. And make sure that you have internet connection to remove the watermark, guys, because if you don't have internet connection, so you won't be able to remove the watermark from your video. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit video without watermark on Inshot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.